So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your location history from Google. But before beginning the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So to delete your location history from Google, first of all open Google in your smartphone. Here in the top right corner, you can see your profile picture. Click on your profile picture and go to the search history. Here you can see an option of saving to web and app activity. Click on that option. Here you can see and delete activity. Select the Google Maps logo and your all location history of Google Maps will be opened. Here you can see an option of delete. Click on delete and you can delete for today, you can delete for custom range, or you can delete for all time in just one click. And your all location history will be deleted. So that is all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any update. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.